Before starting this video guys, make sure to subscribe channel and also join my telegram group guys for a free signal for a free market update guys. So in this video I'm talking about BTC next moment, what's the current price and what will be the next moment of Bitcoin guys. If you want to get latest calls, latest signals, so must join my telegram group guys. Link is available in video description guys. Bitcoin recently price very badly falls. As you can see, 22,420 is current price of Bitcoin and lowest highest. So yesterday the market of BTC very badly crashed guys due to this, which now currently from last 24 hours the market is completely stuck guys. And here 10% the volume increase guys, so possibilities for a little bit for Bitcoin to pump, but for a little bit guys. So that's why guys, I'm sure guys that big possibilities for BTC that it will pump up to 25 and $24,000 guys. By the way, I recommend to all of you if you want to buy and long position, so it's the best time to buy and long guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.